Hello people, this is my green pepper. As you can see, this is my green pepper. I just slice it. I'm going to grind it. I'm going to use it to cook stew. This is my green pepper. I'm going to cook green stew. You know what I mean, my people? Green stew. Hey, green stew. Stay tuned, guys. I will be back. Okay. As you can see, I just finished grinding it. You see, I'm going to cook it so that it can dry. You see it if I finish cooking it. You see, I just finished grinding it. See the way it is. Okay, guys, I will be back. Okay. This is my green stew. Hey, I will be back. Thank you, guys. Guys, you see, this is my green paprika. See it. This is my onions, my crayfish, my ingredients that I'm going to put. Crayfish, garlic powder, megnon, yeah. With my maggi I'm going to put. This is my assortment that I'm going to use to stew it. This is what I'm going to use to cook my green stew. This is my groundnut oil. You see? Stay tuned, guys. You can see it. I just finished stewing it. This is my green stew. I just finished stewing it. See? My stew, my green stew, I cook it with tatache, paprika. After I finish grinding it, I just put it in gas, a low gas, so that the water can still dry as usual. See. See, this is my green stew, my green stew. My green stew. See, I just put everything. My green stew. My green stew. See, I just finished stewing it. As you can see, this is the end of my stew. My green stew. This is the end. See it? All the assorted. Ishon, Shaki, Bomo. See it? The end of my stew, my green stew. See? No water. See? End of my stew.